Welcome to Product Critique, your guide to the latest and greatest in gardening and home improvement tools. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the world of high-pressure water sprayers, the AUTOMAN Garden Nozzle Sprayer. Built for durability and performance, the AUTOMAN Garden Nozzle Sprayer is not your average watering tool. It's crafted entirely from heavy-duty metal, ensuring it can withstand even the toughest conditions without rusting or breaking down. Whether you're watering delicate plants or blasting away debris, this nozzle is up to the task. Let's talk about what sets this nozzle apart. Firstly, it offers an impressive 7 spray patterns, from a gentle shower for delicate flowers to a powerful jet stream for cleaning stubborn dirt. Its ergonomic pistol grip and rubberized dial make it comfortable to hold and easy to adjust, catering to all your watering needs with ease. Whether you're tackling your garden, washing your car, or even showering your pets, the AUTOMAN nozzle delivers precise control and consistent performance. Garden hose thread, ensuring compatibility and ease of use. What about durability? Well, the AUTOMAN Garden Nozzle Sprayer boasts a leak-proof design with a threaded connection and included rubber gaskets for a tight seal. Its zinc alloy exterior finish not only enhances its resilience against impact but also protects against UV rays and harsh weather conditions. This isn't just a nozzle. It's a robust tool that promises longevity and reliability, making it a smart investment for any gardening enthusiast or homeowner looking for quality and performance. Comfort matters too. The AUTOMAN nozzle features a thoughtful design with an ergonomic handle that reduces fatigue during prolonged use. A convenient lock bar at the bottom of the handle allows for continuous spraying without constant pressure, adding to its user-friendly appeal. In conclusion, the AUTOMAN Garden Nozzle Sprayer isn't just another watering accessory. It's the best high-pressure water sprayer available in the market today. With its metal construction, versatile spray patterns, and ergonomic design, it's a must-have for anyone serious about maintaining their outdoor spaces. Ready to elevate your gardening and cleaning routines? Click the link in the description to get your AUTOMAN Garden Nozzle Sprayer today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the tools that make a difference. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home improvement innovation.